Only verified materials make it past this point.
These silver rolls are about to become a Model X.
Hard to believe this rock becomes a luxury SUV.
Nature's chaos is refined into engineering order.
Wrong alloy grade here would ruin the crash safety.
The transformation from roll to robot begins now. Every scrap piece is instantly recycled back. 2,500 tons of force creates these curves. Precision trimming is key for those tight panel gaps. Even a microscopic dent rejects the whole panel. They use stones to find invisible flaws. Molten metal becomes a solid chassis in seconds. This frame must hold a 1,200-pound battery. They glue the car together like a jet fighter. Thousands of these rivets hold the chassis rigid. The Model X shape finally emerges from the metal.
Mixing steel and aluminum requires special welding.
This single beam supports the car's most famous feature.
The roll cage is complete, offering 5-star safety. Humans still do this part to ensure perfect alignment. Lasers check 2,000 data points in seconds.
One speck of oil here causes peeling paint later.
Electricity forces paint into places spray guns can't reach.
This goop keeps your feet dry in a rainstorm.
The perfect shine starts with this dull primer. They sand it by hand for a mirror finish. This ultra-red paint costs more than gold per ounce.
2 layers of red create that deep, liquid look.
Baking at 140 degrees Celsius locks in the shine forever.
This hidden wax keeps the car alive for decades. A vertical parking lot for unfinished cars. Now the real complexity begins.
They take the doors OFF to build the inside. Without this foam, the silence would be impossible.
The largest piece of glass ever put on a car.
Magnets hold the roof liner in place.
They build the entire dash outside the car first.
The robot threads the needle with a 100-pound dashboard.
This screen has more processing power than a PS5.
No stalks, no circle, just a pilot's yoke.
Wireless charging for everyone on board.
This is just one of the 18650 cells. As you can see, the entire module is packed with them. Over 7,000 tiny batteries power this beast.
2 motors just for the rear wheels. Carbon fiber stops the motor from exploding at speed. Motor #3 adds the final punch of power.
The skateboard chassis is coming together.
This rear end handles 1,020 horsepower.
It floats on air, not steel springs. This device recycles heat like a sci-fi heart.
Don't touch the orange wires, that's 400 volts. The 6-inch don't get pulled.
The most critical moment in the factory. "40 bolts turn 2 pieces into 1 solid rock.
Stain-resistant white leather? Yes, really.
Robots do the heavy lifting to save workers' backs. These seats look like they're floating in air.
Two hinges allow it to open in tight spaces.
The door sees through solid metal.
A window that curves into the roof.
The wings are finally attached.
First turn towards that. These doors open themselves for you.
No engine means extra storage space here.
Lead-acid batteries are finally dead. This filter can stop anthrax.
Robots mount tires without a single scratch. There is soundproofing inside the tires too. Five nuts tightened at the exact same millisecond. Vacuum filling prevents deadly air bubbles.
The car is just dead metal without this code. That loud clunk means the battery is live.
Programming the eyes, teaching the car to see before it moves.
A fraction of a degree off ruins the handling.
Check the torque curve at 4,000 RPM.
Looks stable. We are clear for the next sequence.
Verifying the invisible safety shield.
A hurricane in a box to test the seals.
They hunt for leaks with electronic probes.
Testing the gas tank takes seconds.
These lights reveal flaws invisible to the sun.
Measuring gaps down to the micron.
Touching every button so the owner doesn't have to.
"960 watts of sound, tested in 30 seconds.
Hand polishing for that showroom shine.
This badge warns others. 1,020 horsepower.
Wrapping it up like a precious gift.
The final kit goes into the trunk.
Only these keys will start this machine.
All systems pass.
Secured for the long haul to its new home.
Leaving the factory for the first and last time.
$1 million cargo rolling down the freeway.
A little slower on the ramp. Watch your spacing. Okay, bring it down. And stop. Looks great.
The car knows you're here and opens the door.
The most dramatic entrance in the car world.
It feels more like a cockpit than a car.
The windshield view is unlike any other car.